In this video, I would like to show you quickly how to analyze your data from the first ant experiment. So once you have filled out the table with your data, or you use the data that were collected earlier, we need to calculate the average for the number of ants and the number of morphospecies. So you calculate like this, and you can drag the formula all along this way. We calculate the standard deviation, so it's STDEV for your free data point. And you drag the formula again. You calculate the number, count. And you drag your formula. And you calculate your standard error, that is equal to the standard deviation divided by the square root of your number. And you have to drag again the formula. I won't do it for the ant richness. I'll let you do it by yourself. Okay, then you copy your data. You copy them, and we are going to paste them in the spreadsheet for the graph. What is very important is to do a paste special numbers. So you go and you do a paste special numbers. So here we only have numbers and we don't have the formula anymore. So I'm going to put that a little bit bigger. Okay, and now we just need to reorganize our data set. We just need the average, but we need the average of paid and unpaid on two lines. So I'm going to reorganize quickly and just have a look and do the same for your data set. So we don't need the data anymore. And we don't want the standard deviation and the count. So I'm going to organize the averages of paved and unpaved surfaces together. We do the same for the standard error. Okay, this is how your table should be organized for your graph. Now we are going to insert a graph. So first we select the data. Then we insert the graph. We go to insert and we insert the line with dots. So it's line with markers. We remove the horizontal lines. We remove the chart title. We remove the line. So you click on the series and then right click. Format data series. You go to the small bucket and no line. You do the same for the other series. Perfect. Then you can see on this axis there is no line. So you can click on the axis. You go to Format Axis, the small bucket, and you change the color. It was white in this case, I'm going to put black. You do the same for the axis underneath, line, and you change the color to black. Perfect. So now we need to add axis title. So you go to the little plus, add chart element, axis title. It should be added, but they don't have it, sorry. I'm gonna try another way. So let's start again. Okay, I'll add the primary one, and then the horizontal and vertical axis title. So for the y-axis, we have the number of ends. For the x-axis, it's time. Perfect. Now we need to add the standard error. So you select the series you want to add the standard error to. Let's say for the paved, you add custom standard error. To do that, you're going to select the values for the positive error value and negative error value. Okay, and then you do the same for the other side, the unpaved. Okay, so now you have a beautiful graph with a caption, axis, legend, standard error, and we just need to add a legend here. Let's say 1. I was going to write Fleur figures. Fleur's figure. Okay, so this is the average number of ends plus minus SE. At 3 different times on paved and unpaved surface. Surfaces. Okay, perfect. Looks good. So now you need to do the same graph for the morphospecies, and make sure that you train well, because it's very important that you know how to do this graph for your midterm exam. Thank you.